Welcome, explorers. Let's journey through time and uncover the hidden stories of our world, one adventure at a time. The top 10 storms that made history in the world. Here's a look at the top 10 most powerful typhoons ever recorded, each a testament to the raw power of nature. 10. Typhoon Ani, with sustained winds of 172 mph, 277 km per hour, rounds out the top 10 most powerful typhoons ever recorded. While its impact is not as widely known as some of the others on this list, its strength and potential for destruction make it a force to be reckoned. 9. Typhoon Ida, another powerful storm in the western Pacific, reached sustained winds of 173 mph, 173 miles per hour, 278 kilometers per hour. While its exact impact is not fully documented, its strength and potential for devastation make it a significant entry on this list. 8. Typhoon Rita is notable for its long duration, lasting nearly 2 weeks and tracking virtually due west. This prolonged path allowed Rita to impact Guam, the Philippines, and Vietnam, causing over 300 deaths and $100 million in damage. Rita's sustained winds reached 175 miles per hour, 282 kilometers per hour, making it a dangerous and destructive force. 7. Typhoon Irma, while remaining at sea, stands out for its rapid deepening rate, strengthening by 4 millibars per hour over a 24-hour period. This demonstrates the intense and rapid changes that can occur within these storms. Irma's sustained winds reached 180 miles per hour, 289 kilometers per hour, making it a significant threat to the islands it impacted in the western Pacific. 6. Typhoon June stands out for its unique triple eye wall structure, a rare occurrence where 2 additional eye walls form outside the main eye wall. This unusual formation, resembling a bullseye pattern, highlights the complex dynamics at play within these powerful storms. June's sustained winds reached 185 miles per hour, 298 kilometers per hour, making it a formidable force. However, it never made landfall, sparing any communities from its wrath. 5. Typhoon Tip, while not the strongest in terms of wind speed, holds the record for the largest and most intense tropical cyclone ever recorded. Its winds stretched an astonishing 1,380 miles, 2,220 kilometers, nearly half the size of the contiguous United States. Tip's central pressure plummeted to a world record low of 870 millibars, showcasing its immense power and scale. 4. Typhoon Joan, the strongest storm of the 1959 typhoon season, was a colossal system spanning over 1,000 miles in diameter. It struck Taiwan with winds of 185 miles per hour, 298 kilometers per hour, the equivalent of a strong Category 5 hurricane, causing 11 deaths and significant agricultural damage. Joan's sheer size and intensity made it a formidable force, impacting both Taiwan and China. 3. Typhoon Ida, 1958, and Hurricane Patricia, 2015, a tie for third. These 2 storms, separated by decades and oceans, share the third strongest spot with sustained winds of 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers per hour. Typhoon Ida, a Category 3 storm, devastated southeastern Japan, causing widespread flooding, mudslides, and over 1,200 fatalities. Hurricane Patricia, a newcomer to the eastern Pacific, became the strongest hurricane ever recorded in the Western Hemisphere, setting a record for the fastest intensification of a tropical cyclone. Both storms highlight the destructive potential of these powerful weather systems. 2. Typhoon Violet, though short-lived, packed a punch with sustained winds of 207 mph, 307 miles per hour, 333 kilometers per hour. It rapidly intensified into a Category 5 equivalent super typhoon, boasting a central pressure of 886 millibars. Fortunately, Violet had weakened to a tropical storm by the time it made landfall in Japan, minimizing damage and casualties. 1. Typhoon Nancy, a behemoth of a storm, holds the title of the strongest typhoon ever recorded based on wind speed, reaching a staggering 213 mph, 313 miles per hour, 343 kilometers per hour. It dominated the western Pacific for over 5 days, earning a potential record for the longest-lasting Category 5 equivalent hurricane in the Northern Hemisphere. While Nancy thankfully didn't make landfall at its peak intensity, it still caused significant damage and claimed about 200 lives when it struck Japan as a Category 2 storm. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time and space. We've explored some fascinating places and uncovered some incredible stories. Let's keep the adventure going. Subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when I share more journeys like this one.